Hello guys and welcome back to another Battle Cats video. Today we're going to be unlocking Hyper Mister. He's not the best unit out there, but he will be, at the very least with high enough investment and talents, can be useful against zombies I guess. But as of right now though, not the most powerful. Anyways, he's going to be a tiny bit helpful because of the fact that I use this combo a lot using him. And I usually send them out whenever I have extra cash. So that will beef up his attack damage by a bit. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys later. Bye!